Do you want to have passive income online for free? In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can easily add Adsterra ads to a free blogger website step by step, just like this that you have seen right here. So right here guys, I'm going to show you some proof of my earnings using Adsterra link right here. So right here guys, I do have this. This was deposited 2nd of May and I was able to earn 236 USDT right here. And this was at 24 April, which is last month. I was able to earn 300 USDT. So with Adsterra link, you can easily make passive income online without spending a dime. So guys, if you want to get started today, there is a sign up link to adsterra.com in the description of this video below. So guys, let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go on to blogger.com and you log in with your Google account. Simply click onto the sign in option. Then once you're done signing up, click onto create your blog and it's going to take you right onto this page. So all you have to do is to choose a name for your blog. So right here, I can decide to make use of this right here to be the name of my blog. Once you're done, you click onto next. Now you want to simply choose a URL address for your blog. So I'm still going to make use of that right here. And it's going to check if this address is available. So right here, this blog address is available. So you click onto next right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply confirm your display name. So I'm simply just going to put in my display name and click onto what? Finish. And right here, you are done creating your blogger account right here. So as you can see right here, we have no post right here. So you want to simply create a post. All you have to do is to click onto new post. Now how do you actually get content that you want to post right here on blogger.com? All you have to simply do is to make use of ChatGPT, or you want to simply repost someone viral content. But I do prefer that you make use of ChatGPT to create your blog post. So right here, I've been able to create a blog post right here. All I have to do is to give ChatGPT a prompt saying that ChatGPT to write a blog on catering services on blogger.com, and they're going to write a blog right here for you. So all I have to do is to copy the title of this blog. So I'm going to copy this, then go on to blogger.com. So right here for the title, I'm going to paste my title right here, and this is it. Next is to paste in the body of my blog post right here. So I'm here going to ChatGPT and copy this right here. So I'm going to stop here, copy, go on to blogger.com and paste it right here. So once you write here, I've been able to post in my blog post, then click onto what? Publish. Now this will publish this post to your blog. You click onto confirm and you have been able to publish your first blog post right here. Okay, so once you're done, you want to simply head over to adsterra.com. So right here, you want to click onto the sign up button and sign up as a publisher or a webmaster. Now in my previous video, I've been able to share with you how you can easily create an account and get verified on adsterra.com right here. So you want to simply watch this particular video right here. So once you're done with that, it's going to take you right onto the dashboard of Adsterra. Alright, so once you're right here on the dashboard of adsterra.com, all you have to do is to click onto this option here that says add website. Now you want to simply add in your website right here. You go onto blogger.com right here, you click onto this share option, and you want to simply copy this particular post. So you copy this, you go on to Adsterra, and in place of your website, you paste in that. Now, as you can see, this is a bit too long, so I'm just going to cut out some particular parts right here. Next, to select your category, I'm going to make this to be social. Now, what you want to do is to choose your ads unit format. Now, we are making use of banner ads. Now, we have some banner size to choose from. So, as you guys, I'm going to share with you some best banner sizes that you can use for your blogger post. So, these are some of the best banner sizes. We have 7 to 8 times 90, which is for header / cross column. We have 300 times 250, which is for sidebar or the post body. We have 160 times 600, which is the sidebar vertical. And we also have 468 times 60, which is below post or inside content. So these are some of the best banner sizes that you can actually think of or you want to make use of. So right here, I'm just going to select 78 times 90 right here for my cross column. So I click onto add right here. So as you can see, this process may take 1 to 3 minutes and you get notified by email once this is done. Alright, so we have this, which is mestatus.blogpost.com. It is ready. Our ads unit is actually ready right here. So all you have to do first is to go onto blogger.com. Now you click onto the layout section. Now if you take a look at your layout, we have the sidebar, the side button, the header, page list, page body, footer, but we do not have the cross column. So in order for you to be able to have tons of gadgets right here to edit on your blog post, you want to go onto the theme right here. Now right here we have the contextualize. So this is actually a best thing that you can use for your blog post. But all I want to do is to simply change in that I want to go to simple and click onto simple blog right here. Click onto apply, and this will be applied right here, and some new gadgets will be added right here to your layout. So if you go into the layout section, as you can see, things have changed. So before I start adding in my banner art, I want to view this blog for you to see how it looks like before adding in my banner art. So right here, as you can see, take a look at this. This is how this actually looks like. There is no banner art right here, so I want you to take a look at this before we start adding in our banner art. Okay, so what I want to go is to go onto Adsterra, click onto the blog post you added, which is mrartist.blogspot.com. Next you click onto get code and click onto copy code right here. Okay, so you go onto blogger.com. Once you're right here, now I want to simply add this for the cross column. You click onto add gadgets right here. Now it's going to get your gadgets list right here for you. So once you're right here, you click onto html/javascript. You tap onto that, and right here on the content section, you want to paste in that particular code you copied right there from Adsterra. Okay, so I'm going to paste this and click onto save right here, and we have been able to add that right here. So we add for the cross column. So let's go back to Adsterra. Let's simply add in more add units. So you click onto add units right here, go onto banner. Now you want to simply select the banner side. So I'm going to make use of 300 times 250 and click onto create, and this process might take 1 to 3 minutes, so I'm just going to wait for this to be done. So once you're done waiting, all you have to do is to click onto refresh. So once you're done refreshing this page, you simply scroll down, you click onto that particular blog spot right here. Now we have this ready, 300 times 250. You click on to get code and copy code. So before we paste this code, I want to simply add in another unit. Click onto banner. Now right here, I want to make use of 160 times 600 and click onto what create right here. So once this is done, as this is created, let's simply add in our other banner. So if you go onto blogger.com, next you want to click onto sidebar right one. So you click onto add gadgets right here, click onto html/javascript, and right here, place of your content, you paste in your code and click onto save right here, and it's updated right there. Okay, so we are done. So the next thing we want to add in our banner art to the sidebar right to 1 and the sidebar right to 2. Okay, so let's simply go on to Adsterra and refresh this page right here. Okay, so let's go down right here. So this is it, our add unit is ready. We have 160 times 600. Click on to get code, copy the code, come on to blogger.com, click on to add a gadget, html/javascript. In place of content, you paste that code right there and click on to save. So I'm still going to paste in this particular code to sidebar right to 2 for the course of this tutorial. So you click on to html right here under the content section, you paste that and click on towards save, and we have that ready. So let's simply add in a banner to the footer right here. So I'll go on to Adsterra right here, and I'll make use of 728 times 90. Click on to get code, I'll copy the code and go on to blogger.com, click on to footer 1, click onto this option here that says add a gadget, html/javascript, and paste in that code right here and click on to save. I can go on to footer 2 to click on to add a gadget, html/javascript, and paste that same code and click on to save. So we are done doing this. So guys, all I have to do, I will scroll down right here and click onto this option here that says view blog. So I'm going to tap onto this and let's see what we have here. So this is the post right here. Now let's simply take, as you can see, we have our first banner ad. If you come down here, we have the second banner ad right here. If you scroll down, we have the sidebar banner ad. If you scroll down right here, we have the footer. As you can see, this is a bit too long, so we have to remove this. So all I have to do is to come onto the blogger layout, scroll down, and in place of this footer to and click onto the edit section and remove that right here because that is a bit too long. Okay, so you just simply need to find the perfect banner size for it. So if I click onto add unit banner right here, let's simply make use of a smaller banner. Let's try add 20 times 50. Click on to create and let's see what this app for us. So simply refresh the page, you scroll down right here, go on to the blog spot right here. Then let's see, we have 320 times 50. Click on to get code, copy the code, come right here to blogger.com. Let's put this as footer 21 and let's see what we have. Click on to html/javascript, place of your content, you paste that and click onto save, and let's see what we have here. So all I have to do is to click onto view blog, and let's view this right here and see what we have. So we have this right here, our first ad, our second ad, our sidebar. Let's quickly scroll down. So we have this right here. So guys, this is actually looking so amazing, super easy for you to be able to add in your banner ad to blogger.com right here. So right here guys, I'm just going to share with you a bonus tip on how you can get free traffic to your blog. Now the first thing you want to do is to share this on Facebook group. In my previous video, I've been able to share with you how you can add direct link on Facebook. So you want to simply watch this tutorial video to see how that works. Now you can actually make use of Pinterest right here to drive traffic for visual content. You can post on Twitter, or X, and you can use trendy keywords from Google Trends or SEO right here to drive traffic to your blog post right here. That is it. Now you are ready to earn with Adsterra and Blogger right here. So guys, if this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more passive income tips, and I will see you in the next video. And do not forget to use the sign up link in the description to join Adsterra and get your first site approved.